Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Oluwalobumi TV YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking you through how you can start your own YouTube channel, starting from opening a YouTube channel account. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. So follow me. If you need to get a paper, you need to call somebody to tell somebody, just do that right now. Let's go. So I'm going to be sharing my screen now. Okay. So follow me, subscribe. So here is my screen. I've already created a Gmail account yesterday. I did that. I wanted to show you step by step how I created the Gmail account and how you can use it to create your YouTube channel. But because of ChatGPT was slowing down in downloading some things that I needed for me to complete the video yesterday, I couldn't complete the video because it was getting so long. So that's why I won't be showing that. I had to do another video to show you guys how you can create your YouTube channel. Some people are actually asking, how can you create a YouTube channel? Don't be surprised that people are actually asking. It's not everybody that is really computer literate. Even not all the people that are computer literate really know how to navigate their way through YouTube channel. But it's very, very simple. If you know how to handle a computer, then you will know how to create a YouTube channel. So like I said, I created this one yesterday. So if you now want to put every other thing inside what you created yesterday, this is what you're going to do. You click on customize channel. It's just like a building that you just rented or you just bought and you can't just move inside empty handed. You need to put in curtains, put in some interiors decoration so that the place will look inviting and beautiful and classic. So the same thing we're going to do within our YouTube channel. You need to make it look beautiful. Your banner image, your picture, and your water. Yeah, that one is down, 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 down. Yes. Your video watermark. Everything must be catchy and it must go in line with your niche. So how did I come about this description? This channel is actually for a client. So I'm helping her to open it. She said that she helped her to open it. So she already told me what she wants to use the channel to do because she's a dietitian. So she said she wants to use it to promote her work in the social media space. So I just use just use some names just to yes, I will still change the name. You are allowed to change the name and it will reflect after 14 days. So I came to ChatGPT to get the description. I actually reached out to her. What do you want to do with this channel? She told me everything and I wrote it. Yeah, I just told ChatGPT, generate a professional and engaging YouTube description for my new YouTube channel. This is the name the person really wanted. So Nutri Care Network. This is the name. That's the name of the channel. So this channel will focus on dietary, blah 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 blah, and everything like that. Okay. So I clicked it. I typed it in, and I sent it to ChatGPT. And this is the description that ChatGPT gave me. I just did copy, prune. I copied it. Subscribe. I copied it, and I took it to my channel, the one I've opened, yes, and I copied it and I pasted it here, and that is what you are seeing right here on my screen. So it's very simple. So this is where I typed the name. You're going to be asked for your name, so I typed your name. You can change it, and but it will reflect after 14 days. Immediately you type your name, your handle will be automatically generated by YouTube, and you can see your website, your YouTube handle under here. So I'm going to teach you something you're going to use with this. You're going to do with this, and so that it's going to appear on your dashboard. But that is going to be in another video, not this one. I just want to take everything one after the other. So after this video, I'm going to be talking to you about something else, how to upload and stuff like that, so that we can all grow together. This is 2025. Nobody is going down. We all are rising up and we are moving together. So now I already have my description. Remember, I used ChatGPT. So I will go back to ChatGPT to generate my banner. I told you, you must make everything look beautiful and inviting. So I let me show you something. Under the banner, there's a specification for the size needed for the banner. For the best result of all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 times by 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So that is, I actually copied that and I took it, I restructured it and I took it to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT generate a realistic and professional banner image that is at least so yes. And this is what I actually put a realistic so that it's going to bring real pictures. I don't want it depends on what you want and it depends on your niche. I my former one of my YouTube channels, I focus on the children, family generally. So I forced the banner I use and even my DP, my display picture, it was in cartoon form. But later on, I was like, so that people will not think that it is just meant for children alone. So it's for all every member of the family. So I decided to get a realistic picture that will make it more how am I going to put it? Make it more alive. Like this is what I want to do. I'm not just focusing on children content. I'm focusing on everybody in the family. A father, mother, children, maybe toddler or 7 years age. Everybody will have something to grab from that channel. So and I also discovered that the realistic pictures are very very inviting. So that's what prompted me to actually put a realistic and a professional banner image, not something that is just the color will just be too much and everything will just be too the information on it is going to be too much. So I actually told ChatGPT what I wanted. I want a professional banner. So ChatGPT gave me something very, very beautiful, putting all the focus of this channel into consideration, empowering health through nutrition, Nutri Care Network. You need to also check that the spellings are correct. There are times that ChatGPT will bring something for you that the spellings won't be correct. It has happened to me before, especially my when I was creating um my avatar, my image, like an image, human image for my channel, my faceless channel. So you need to check, especially when I think my name it was misspelled by ChatGPT. So you need to check that the spellings are okay. So you click on here and you download. Once you download, it will automatically show up in your download. So you don't need to go to your download. You just go back to your YouTube channel, you know we're under the channel customization. Then you upload, you click on upload. So because it's already on your download, so that's why it's here. You click on it. You already know how to upload that. This is it. This is what. Yes. Isn't it beautiful? So you click on done. It will automatically upload. Yay! You did it. So if you're following me step by step, you can be doing this on your phone. You can be doing this on your phone. You can actually pause this video and just look at it one after the other. There are some things I learned online that I had to even get a jotter, a pen. I just had to, because I'm somebody I love details. I just had to note it down. Okay, this is the way this person did it. So if you are somebody like that, you can do. There's no big deal. It's for you to have a better understanding about what you want to dive into. So we've done that. You can decide to publish it. If you publish it, it means anybody viewing your channel will be able to see this. But because we still have something else to do on this particular page, I'm not going to publish it immediately. So we scroll down. Scroll down. So you are going to enter your email here, the email attached to this particular account. The email is dietwithellen@gmail.com. That's the email I created yesterday. So you're going to write it here, your contact information, in case somebody wants to contact you for business and all that. So you're going to put it there. So also here, this link, we are still going to come back there. You can start by adding your email. You write email. So your email, you put your email address here, what you have here. I think you can copy it. Yes. You put it there. So I mentioned something that I'm going to teach you how you can there's something you can do that will make your the link to your YouTube to appear on your dashboard. with ease, and people will be able to subscribe. It also helps to promote your it's also helps to increase your viewers. So I'm going to teach you that once we get that particular link, that's when we're going to click on this and add that link to our YouTube channel. But for now, let's leave it here. So that's is going to be in another video. So here we need to put our video watermark. I also use ChatGPT to generate that. I came to ChatGPT. I said generate a realistic and a professional video watermark image that is 150 by 150 pixels and 1 MB or less. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. NutriCare Network. You download as well, and you come to your YouTube. Yeah. So you're going to click on upload. I just hope this picture is not so big. It's looking kind of big. Huh. I hope it's going to upload. Let's see. Let's watch and see together. Something is there. Let me see what's there. Okay. I see. It's not coming in. Okay, no animation. Use a PNG. Okay. It says no animation. Animations. Nothing. This is you've been given a specific instruction. This is what they really want you to upload. Nothing. Okay, I know. Try adding a file that is 1 MB. So I will go back to ChatGPT. Let's do this, guys. So I will tell ChatGPT to reduce the size. Reduce the size of the above to 1 MB or less. So you send it. So we're going to be waiting for ChatGPT. I never knew I'm going to do something that will make me to go to ChatGPT to create something that is going to make us wait. But it's not going to take time. Another thing that I did was when it's taking so much time, I just reboot. I just come to this side and clicked on it, and it's roll again. But for now, I just started it, so it's still rolling all over. So let it. Okay, so this one is kind of fast. So it has given me a place where I can go to generate to download. Yes, it didn't even open it, it downloaded it automatically. So let's go back to our YouTube channel. Yes, we're back here. So you're going to click on upload. Yes. Okay. They're looking almost the same thing, but let's see. Oh, this is going to work. Good. So that's how you're going to do it. You can see it's not going to fool the whole screen. It's just this is it. So it's not asking you, do you want it to show at the end of your video, entire video, or custom start video? It depends on what you want, but I want it to be on my entire video so that they are going to know that okay, this is from my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click on that. You can put it anywhere you want. It depends on you, but that is what I want. So you have your YouTube channel. Remember, if you have a picture, you put a picture. This one, I don't have a picture. I can actually use any picture. Let me use any picture. I'm going to use any of my upload. Any of my what's it called? My my pictures, the ones I generated, raw materials. No, I can't use this one. You can't use Jesus picture. Yeah, pictures. Okay, pictures, just pictures, just pictures. This one looks, I've already swapped the faces of this one, so it's going to look so much like me. Fates. This is one of my channel. Okay, let me use this. Yes. Let me just use this. You may not need because of the what this channel is all about. You might not use. Let's even try and generate a picture from ChatGPT. So most times what I do is I just come here, I just copy, generate a realistic and a professional Mhm. I just copy the beginning slide. It's going to be fast. Generate a realistic and and professional display picture for my YouTube channel named, okay, for my Nutri Care. Let me put the name in case. Nutri Care Network YouTube channel. I hope I got the, okay, Nutri Care Network YouTube channel. So I'm going to give this to ChatGPT to help me generate a realistic and professional display picture for my NutriCare Network YouTube channel. So let's go there. Let's go there. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. You see, this ChatGPT is really helpful. Very, very, very helpful. I think a lot of people, oh, I was about to say a lot of people are not. Oh my, you've reached your image creation limit for today, not forever, not forever. So for today, I've reached my, if you have another account, you can actually try that. I can do something else. So see the trick I'm going to do now. Yeah, I'm going to use, see the way I brought that one out. You hold on to your laptop, just bring it out. So I'm going to sign. If I sign out from here, hope it's not going to, I don't want it to affect my other channel. Yes. So I don't want it to affect my other channel. Let me see if it's going to work here. I doubt it. Let's see first. It's minor work because it's showing me the same thing. But let me try. There's a way I can do it, but I don't want it to scatter what I've been doing. So just let's leave it. Yeah. So that will be on the silver side. So I've already added a picture, but you can use a picture that goes in line with what your channel is all about. So now, what are we about to do? We are going to publish it, and you can change anything anytime. So also your picture, there's a specification for the pictures you can upload on. You can upload here. So you see this specification? Yeah. Yes. Make sure your picture follows the YouTube community guidelines. So if you want to change any of this thing we uploaded, you can come back and change it if you want. So yes. So you have your YouTube channel. So if you have any question about opening your Gmail, opening a Gmail account, or opening your YouTube channel, or opening multiple YouTube channel, please don't forget to drop your question in the comment, and I will attend to it. And so we've come to the end of today's training. Yeah. Okay. Thank you all for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to Oluwalobomi TV. Share, comment, like. So till we meet again another time in another video. Bye.